loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Manvi, and in today's video I will be de-influencing you to not waste your money on viral products that I got influenced to buy and influencing you to buy good paisa vasool products instead. So I did a lot of skincare, makeup and hair care shopping, so I thought I would do a haul and share my reviews on it. So I got influenced to buy Laneige Bouncy and Firm Sleeping Mask because of this fancy packaging and this blush pink color, which I really love. And also the ingredient list is pretty fancy, like it has peony extract, collagen, peptides, which are really good for your skin. It also has glow capsules, which are supposed to provide hydration for long hours. But what is the point of this fancy ingredient list when it doesn't even hydrate my skin at all? I feel it's not hydrating enough, nor does it give any glow to my skin. I really wanted to love it, and the fragrance reminds me of like an old Pond's cream, or was it Nivea? I finally tried Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. It's going viral all over the internet. When I placed my order for it, I was not expecting this jumbo sized bottle. You're getting a lot of product for 1500 rupees. It's already a value sized toner, but I love how it hydrates and nourishes my skin deeply and also gives a beautiful glow like a mochi. It also has panthenol, hyaluronic acid and Centella asiatica, which is so soothing and hydrating. Do you see the glow on my hand? It's alcohol free, but it does contain mild fragrance, so keep that in mind. But otherwise, I highly recommend this one. It's so good. Next is Plum Cica and Hyaluronic Aqua Light SPF sunscreen. So you guys wanted my review on it. It does have new age sunscreen filters and is free from oxybenzone, octocrylene, all the ingredients that I try to avoid in my sunscreen. But sadly, it doesn't blend into the skin. It just sits on the top and it doesn't go into my skin. I had high hopes because then I could recommend you guys some affordable sunscreens as well, which are homegrown, but sadly it did not work. If you are liking this video so far, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Next viral product that I got influenced to buy is Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Blush. Now this blush was going viral everywhere. Every it girl was talking about it. If I remember correctly, I paid 4000 rupees for this. Packaging is just okayish. It's very plasticky and the mirror, it's blurred. It's so matte, it's not pigmented, and it looks so average. I don't like the finish of this product. I have to dip my brush multiple times to get the pigment. I don't hate this blush, but I don't love it either. I have other blushes which perform so much better. Next viral product is in skincare category, and it's Ordinary Argireline 10% solution. It's a water-based serum, a non-injective solution for your dynamic lines. It is supposed to target your 11 crow's feet and the fine lines, the smile lines you have here. And let me tell you, it actually works. It smooths out my skin like I just had fillers or Botox done on my skin. I'm gonna be turning 34 this July, so I thought let's invest in more anti-aging skincare products, and I heard a lot about this serum. I love how it makes my skin so smooth every morning. I have used so many anti-aging serums, moisturizers, but by far this one is the most effective. So if you are looking for an anti-aging serum that actually works, go for it. Next, I bought this Indivile Chumpy hair oil with Bhringraj, Amla and Brahmi. Now it's like a all-in-one treatment for hair regrowth, controls the hair fall and dandruff, controls hair graying as well. I have used it for 3 times so far, and it makes my hair really soft, so I like that. I also love the applicator and this bottle. It reminds me of Chanel Chance. So pretty and smells amazing, makes my hair soft. It also has 11 active ingredients like hibiscus oil, castor oil and other oils. Let me read it. It has coconut, almond, Indian argan, vitamin E, sesame oil. I can't stop smelling it. It smells so amazing and I recommend it. I've been seeing everyone with gold eye serum patches and it looks so cute, chic and classy, and I wanted to get my hands on it, but I couldn't find any skincare brand who is making these eye serum patches. But I got this from Swiss Beauty. This is their Hydra eye serum patch and it's gold. I could not find the ingredient list, so I'm not sure what it has, but it's hydrating and doesn't irritate my skin, so it's just a cute thing that I wanted to try. I wouldn't say that I highly recommend it, but if you guys are also like me and want to try a gold eye serum patches for so much affordable price, just not sure about the ingredient list. Next, I got two beauty products from Prosh Beauty. It's Prash or Prosh, I don't know, you guys, let me know. So I got their liquid blush Sweet Cheeks. I love the packaging, that's why I got it, in raspberry tart. So this is how it looks, so cute, like candy like. And I actually am wearing this blush on my cheeks today with Peach Puchka, and I have to say Indian brands are coming out with really good blushes. I also love the Tipsy Beauty blush. They have done so amazing with their liquid formulas. Everybody's crazy about liquid blushes right now and I have so many with me. I think Rare Beauty started this trend of liquid blushes. This one I do like, but I don't like how it smells a little bit. It's not too off-putting, but still there is a smell, you know. Next is this powder Pizza Puff that I got. It made the application of loose powder under my eyes so well because of the shape, and this is so soft, doesn't leave any prints under my eyes. It sets my under eye makeup so well, so smooth. Highly recommend this. I've been using it every single day whenever I do my makeup, so I like it, I really do. Next is the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Copper Peptides 1% Serum. This serum was on my wish list since the time Ordinary was launched in India, and I finally got it because I'm getting old, you guys, and I can use all the peptides, ceramides, retinol and argireline, so that's why I invested my money on it. It's for 2,800 rupees. I have tried multi-peptide serum before by Claire's and that one did nothing for my skin, but this one does. It's also very hydrating, you guys. It feels so nice, cold and soothing on the skin. If you are sleeping on peptides, then please wake up because these are so good for aging skin. If you're above 30, it's a must have in your skincare routine. It works on the fine lines, wrinkles, increase the firmness, smoothness on your skin and the elasticity of your skin, which you lose as you age. So I highly recommend this one and I love it. It's chef's kiss, totally worth the money. I don't know why I waited so long. And yeah kiddies, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and let me know if you guys are interested in more hauls. I can do it because I've been shopping a lot lately because my birthday is coming. So yeah, I will see you in my next video and bye, take care.